This should be your intro, okay?
Dude, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am where? I'll really hit you. Today I'm in Bangalore and I have a few gifts from my fans. I had a recent meet and greet. So let's unbox all my birthday presents. The first is this, which is my own shirt, but I'm getting it back because I gave it to Isha. Second is this is again not gift. This I only had asked to order. It is Whole Truths Cocoa. Why am I opening it? Protein powder. Now this is also I only asked to order, but I don't know if it's a gift or what. But this is. Yeah, I'll wear this. This is a nice little T-shirt from Soul Store. Tantana. It's really cool because it is also crochet. I don't know what this is. It's really nice. Now we'll go to the gifts that I don't know what it is, and it's actually gift. Why do I have two caps, man? Okay. Who the hell gets class recipe? Matcha recipe ka board. Okay, so the matcha place gave it to me. And then we have merch from Coco Club. Thanks guys. One is this cap which says on a matcha run. Does it look good? And then I have a tote bag which says in my wellness era because fitness is my passion. So I could go like this only, that time. Too good. Huh? Shut up. Then what do we have? What is this? I love this. This is from Threaded Theory. Did I ask you to order this? Okay. This is again not a gift. I asked Isha to order. Oh, this t-shirt. Oh, what is all this? Tag us to get featured. This is the t-shirt that says this is where the plot twists. And it's from Delhi Belly, which says Sir Laundry, and it has the characters. I don't know, but it's a really cool T-shirt. I could just wear this. No, sure, yes, please. Up next, we have something called No Bakwas. What is this? And it's already opened.
No bakwas and
What is this? Stick brand.
No, open it.
It's something from Potion. No Bakwas. Whatever, I don't know. Is it a lipstick? There's some gentle face cleanser which is very big, and and then we have anti dark circles depuffing. What do you even want to convey with this gift? But I think I only had asked her to order this.
It went viral. It has great reviews.
Yeah, and the cameraman is the acting speaker. This is called Aako Ka Tara because it's a dark circle and depuffing which I wanted for the wedding, but I got it after the wedding. I'll open this in the end. Now we have a bag from Kerastars which I don't think is mine because it's the same cap, and it's for whom? Yeah, it's for her because there are two caps and I don't have two heads. Then we have something from Starbucks which I'm guessing is from someone behind the camera, behind that person. It's this tumbler.
Yeah.
I have way too many Starbucks merch at this point, but this is really cool. I really love this color, and yes, and it's, what is this? Ombre effect.
Yeah.
And that's it. I'm going to have my, because I also have nails now, and this is going to be my new coffee mug, tumbler, whatever. Now this is a very big gift which I don't know, but I also know it's from Sania Malhotra.
Why would she give you something?
No, it's not from her, but this is her brand. She started her new matcha brand, so
It's called
Brie matcha, and this is what a gift set. We have this box from Brie Matcha, which is an entire set here. It shows what's included and then it also has a few recipes. Now this is what's included in the box. There's the ceremonial matcha. There's a whisking brush. Then there's this, what is this called? Yeah. Channi, which I can. She. And then there's this spoon, the matcha ka bamboo spoon, na? And then there's a ceramic matcha bowl which I was looking for. The one I use currently is the one I made, and it's not a matcha bowl, but that's it for this video. I absolutely love this and I'm gonna make use of it, and then I think I'm gonna talk to Sania Malhotra as well. So if you like this short and sweet video, you know what to do.
Like, share, subscribe.
And drink matcha.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Comment also, thanks.
Comment as well, yes. And we forgot the wedding content because we were busy having fun. So stay tuned. And oh, this also is like a suitcase. That's so cool. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.